Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to switch to third person on Pubg. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to switch to the third person mode on Pubg, then it's pretty simple. Simply go ahead and tap on this mode icon at the bottom left, right above start. You'll be able to select between modes in the menu. Go to the top right and tap on this auto matching option, give it a tap, and from the pop-up, make sure to select TPP under perspective. Soon after you select TPP, then you'll be able to change to third person perspective for your game. If you want to switch back to first person, you'll need to select FPP. Once you make the selection, you'll be now able to see that your mode has been changed to third person. You can now simply select a map and start off with a third person perspective while playing your Pubg game. That is how you'll be able to switch to third person on Pubg. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.